We're gonna go across, right? Because when we went, we got free entry. Yeah. We have to cross the bridge.
Oh yeah, you can't buy anything.
Right? So go. So they block. When you walk in. Okay. Man. December.
Anna, they're on Tropic.
How do you get up? So?
It's kind of like in Arte Museum.
There.
Where's that?
Gelato.
Kahit coffee?
Kahit
Yes, na coffee.
For $30.
Big.
How did you decide? We were hungry. I told you guys.
10 years. Dati, kung may iwas, makatulong ang parents ko. Yung parang laking dagat.
Virgin there.
That was sino ang masama sa pakiramdam? Oh my God! Good morning. Good morning, Vegas. Good morning. Tulog pa sila. Okay, alis na. Okay. Ito sa baba, kape. Nasa 8th floor pala kami. Tulog pa yung mga bata. Cromwell ba ito? So, tara baba tayo magkakape. Magkakape tayo. Ano tayo? Umaga. Ano tayo ng kape? How big is medium?
This one is.
Okay. Is it strong?
Yeah, it's kind of strong.
Small.
Okay.
How much is the small one?
Let me see.
The small.
750.
Muffins? How much? Dito. Sa pangalan din?
Lita.
Si Ate Lita. Ano ako sa San Fernando, San Juan?
Marami kami buwan. Artistica Virgin Media, Ilocos Norte. Isa malapit sa...
Kamusta ang diga kadamon dyan eh? Shout out ka. Ilocana. Yeah, ingat. Malamig. So dyan kami, Cromwell. So ikot na tayo. Caesar's Palace. Diyan kami galing kagabi. Caesar's Palace. Mirage. Gonna try natin tayo.
Yeah.
Yeah, see.
Oh, that you
Ang manalo dyan, ever.
I didn't play this.
Talo na. Panalo.
You want it back? Take it out. Take it out. Take it out now.
Nainggit si Iso.
Take it out. Take it out. Oh shit! Cash out. Wait, it's still going. That's 3 games for out of 8. Oh.
Damn, damn.
Magkano tinaya mo dyan? 160?
I don't know.
Yeah, 160 ang net.
How much did you put in there? $50.
Muna. Ito natin.
Oh my god! I know. Cash out na baka maano to si.
Magkano? Magkano?
Hey, that's double. Yeah.
How do you get that card?
How much, Roy?
It's free.
Wait, so
Kompleto na yan. Yung credit card.
SAM.
Here, on top. On the right. The black one.
Just
Yeah.
now charge to 8.
No. Parang hindi ko nakikita siya.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. I like
Dude, I didn't realize it's an auto. I was like, dude, this is an automatic
Okay.
deck. I should have.
Where, man? It's close to...
That's the north.
Okay.
One spoon sunny side up with rice.
Hmm? Tangin yun.
Yeah, let me just get some for you.
Actually, probably makes less sense.
Oyster. Trip store. Kayo kay?
Store.
Oh, good.
Thank you.
Uh,
Okay, I think we'll be. Where's it at?
Okay, pagkatapos kumain, busog sila, kaya ako, nagkape na ako kanina, sila naman kape daw. Yun, no? Sa Pinsmith, dyan sila. Yun, Pinsmith. Give me money, Jel.
Yeah, give me money. What? I'm hungry.
Yan, paalis na kami. Ayan, nagpalit ng sakyan. Yun. Wow! It's big. Grabe pa rin ang tao dito. Katapos ng Thanksgiving.
Sama na ba dyan yung akin?
Maganda na itong tibay. Solid. Ganda. Ang baryo. Nalo. Ang dami. Miss it. One more. $1 per plate. May kinukuha niya. Las Vegas for
I put on the back of my phone like this, I'll turn off, my phone is...
Okay, bumili tayo ng charger kasi ito $40 so ano yan. Sabi mo wala. Tama ka. 100 siya. So here like
Parked over here. Oh, here. Let's go check it out. Let's see. So $20. What?
pero ito. You're getting it? Expensive. At bangis oh. Pero ako nito Jordan. Mahal. Baka sakaling ano pa to, babagsak pa. Let's go. Kind, same shoes. Kaya akong dat. Kindly do not touch. Okay. This one is nice. Ito kaya bilhin ko yan pang exchange gift. Ha? Si $50 ka. Sobrang lamig. Mag-hot choco muna tayo. Starbucks. Hindi kape. Hot chocolate. Excuse me. Start yung ano.
I'm like, I want to sign up.
I know, man.
Says Big Boss.
Okay, gabi na. Pauwi na kami. Yung iba nakauwi na. Whew. Yan. Goodbye, Outlet Mall. Let's go, let's go. It's closed, Yel.
It's a renovation, looks like.
Sarado. Sarado ang kainan. Yeah, okay. Kung saan tayo kakain, sarado daw eh. Sarado, sarado. Chinatown.
Where are they?
Mustang.
They're checking the reviews.
Mustang boy. Mustang boy.
Mustang?
Big time.
I just asked.
Can we get a spicy tofu? Mom, do you want spicy tofu soup?
Okay, and kimchi.
I'm gonna squid. Try the squid.
I don't like it.
Squid and intestine. Billion.
Yeah, she's getting big. Another one.
I was like, wow, this is.
Let's go, let's go. Okay, balik tayo sa ating hotel. Cromwell. Tindi oh. GMC. Damn, laki. Damn. Lamig.
back almost often.
$130,000. Tingnan mo yung YouTube ko. Oh my God! Oh my God! Temptation! Oh, Kiana, let's drink, Kiana.
Okay.
Come on! Vegas! Oh, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Wala ka extra na medyas?
Wala. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Uwi na kami. Nakaready na ako. So sila ay tulog po. Ako'y magkakape sa baba. Let's go, kape, kape. Kape, kape, kape. Kape, kape, kape. Kape, kape. Kape, kape tayo. Okay. Let's go, kape, kape. Kape, kape. Okay, kakain muna kami sa Max. Max. Let's go eat.
Nobody to give me a room though.
Okay, dito kami sa Max kasama yung mga bata. Kakain muna bago kami magbiyahe. Sa Max tayo. Yan, Max! Kain-kain muna bago magbiyahe kasi mahaba bang biyahe namin. Let's go. Okay, kain muna tayo. Max!
But do you want fish or do you want to wait for a few minutes?
Okay. Oh, meron ako bandana. $10.
So basic though. I mean, I try to hold the camera like forever.
See, if they would have just put everything out at the same time, we would
This is from Max. Max.
It says Max's chicken.
Yeah. Huh? Oh.
No, this is a match.
Okay, bye done. Really?
Yeah. Bye bye. Let's go. Look like Tita Shell. Grabe. Malamig pa rin. So alis na kami. Nabiyahe na kami papuntang LA. Let's go. Okay, another restroom break. Siguro mga ano pa kami, mga 3 hours pa hanggang sa LA. Si Kiana, yung anak ko, kasama niya si Angel, tapos yung friend nila si Audrey, kamalas na sila, na flat tire. So medyo tumawag na sila ng AAA. At nandun si Ace saka si Roy Jr. pinuntahan nila kasi 3 lang silang babae. So tapos mag-convoy na lang sila. So pag minamalas talaga, so flat yung kanilang tire, so medyo gabi, so delikado, 3 babae pa naman pwedeng, pero pinuntahan na ng 2 kapatid niya mga lalaki. Okay, break muna tayo.
You, when we were that